day today, so we decided to come to Yeouido and go to the new Hyundai Mall. And we're gonna walk around this area. I haven't seen a lot of things here before, so we're gonna kind of just walk around and check it out. 바람 많이 분다.
아니 괜찮아? So last time we biked here.
Yes. And we had ramen by Hangang.
Today I want to show you there is Korean Parliament building
Oh.
and also KBS broadcast.
Okay.
Place?
They're here?
Yeah, in Yeouido.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay.
Oh, Daniel, look at that. That sign.
Yeah.
That sign says this coming Cherry Blossom Festival. They will do that through the online.
Oh, that's not the same though. Kind of sad.
You know,
2 years in a row where I've missed it. 괜찮아. We can just walk around to other places. So that's fine. But one day I want to come to the festival.
and you love raining day.
I do love rainy days, but lately it's been raining only on the weekends. Every weekend. It's very frustrating when we're trying to make a video. This walkway is so beautiful. Now the cherry blossoms, but they're still budding, they're still blooming. They're not in full bloom yet, but you can kind of see a little preview of what they're going to look like. Oh, so pretty though. Wow.
다니엘, 아 진짜 2년 연속 벚꽃을 어떻게?
괜찮아.
괜찮아?
다음 년. 내년.
아 아쉽다, 그치?
Get a close up. Silent. 사진.
꽃 예쁘다, 그치?
야, 예쁘다.
꽃 좋아?
좋아요.
벚꽃 좋아?
벚꽃 진짜 좋아요. Try to hold 우산 with this. 아무도 없어. 와, 예쁘다.
진짜 크지?
What do you do here? Just play?
Just play, bike around.
Dancing in the rain.
Singing in the rain 해봐. 진짜 사람이 없네.
Yeah, seriously. Oh no! All the petals are falling off. Damn.
어떡하지?
No, the rain. It took all the petals off.
It hasn't started yet.
I know. Hopefully the ones that hadn't bloomed yet will be fine. I think so. This is the KBS broadcasting building, and actually we filmed with KBS once, but it was a different location and they cut us all out.
They didn't use your part
No.
in the TV show.
Yeah, 괜찮아.
Next time, let's come here
Yeah.
for your thing, something.
물회 위사당.
Daniel,
Yeah.
that's the Korean Parliament. I wanted to show you, but seems like we cannot go inside.
Yeah, there's a lot of like imchal there.
I think only politicians maybe.
Maybe, oh, that's okay.
What do you think of that building?
So big.
So big?
Yeah. It looks very like law place. I don't know. This is the mall that I've been wanting to check out recently. So, yeah, let's go in and see what it's about.
I thought it was bigger than this,
Oh.
but from the outside, it's not that big building.
Yeah.
But we will see.
We'll see. 예쁘다.
어?
예쁘다.
예뻐? 예쁘네. Quite big inside.
It is. It's way bigger than I expected. Really light. It's pretty in here.
Wow, look at the fountain.
No. So like nice in here. Really pretty.
What do you want to do? You just look around here?
Just look around. Maybe go up top too. Just walk around. Good rainy day activity. It's so like clean and white and bright in here. It's really nice, like upscale mall for sure.
I feel like it reminds me on Mall of America in Minnesota.
Oh yeah, it kind of does actually. Similar. But the architecture here is really modern. It's pretty.
Are you kind of hungry?
A little bit, yeah. Do you want to find a cafe in here?
카페 가자 그럼.
Okay. Let's go. Oh, so they have like really long lines for the escalators because they distance every like steps by 3. So it takes a while to get on an escalator here. It looks like we're in a forest here. Like they really incorporated the nature in this mall too. Really pretty. Look at this though. Trees.
Looks like rooftop garden or
It
something.
does, yeah.
Are they real?
And you can hear like bird noises.
이게 진짜야? 진짜
No,
나무야?
no. It's just recording. Yeah.
아니 이거.
Yeah, that's real. Yeah, and over there too. Over there.
It looks like photo zone.
It is photo zone. It's so crowded right here. Let's keep moving.
We just came down basement
Yeah.
because rooftop is so busy.
Yes, there's no seats available up there. But down here, there's so many options, like for to eat something or like a little cafe. So it's really big down in the basement.
Let's look around here and let's have coffee or something.
Yeah, definitely.
We wanted to have coffee like rooftop.
In the garden area, but yeah, not possible.
사람 진짜 많지.
Seriously, I've never experienced that before. Whew. It was like Chicha rush hour time. So we've been walking around this basement for a while now and there's no seats at all. 진짜 사람 많다. So there's nowhere for us to sit and like even enjoy coffee. So I think we're just going to go to a different place. It's too crowded down here. Too many people. Okay, so we just got out of the mall and so many people. Oh my gosh. Let me give you some advice. Do not come on the weekend. Like, whatever you do, don't come on the weekend because it's crazy. There's so many people. If you want to like take a rest or have coffee, there's no seats available. And you kind of have to just like follow the crowd of people because if you stop everybody behind you. It's just too much. So it's nice to see what it's about, and it was really beautiful. Like, it's very nature inspired and gorgeous, but I'm actually really hungry, so I think we had to leave and go somewhere else to get something to eat because there's no chance in there.
강남으로 가자.
Yeah. 가자.
여의도 어땠어? 끝?
Good. Yeah.
끝? Enough?
Enough.
강남으로 가자.
Alright. 가자. We're coming. 안녕, editing MJ.